Welcome to my video of me showing love to my golden Land Cruiser. I hope you enjoy it. So today I'll show you how to change the license plate light bulbs. So yeah, let's get to it. So wear your gloves and let's get started. For the left side light, just pull to the left and pull out. That's simple. And for the right side light, you will push towards the right side and pull out. There we go. Then to disconnect the connection, you will press on this tab and pull the socket out, like so. Then you will remove the socket from the lens, just turn it and pull it out. To remove the bulb, just pull it out straight. So here's the part number for the new bulb. I will also replace the lens. This one is hazed and destroyed by the sun. So take your new bulb and replace it. Just press in. And last, just take your socket and replace it. Make short clicks. Reconnect your light. And then just press it back in place. It only goes in one way, so you can't mess this up. There we go. That's solid. Let's test the bulbs. There you go, a quick and easy DIY. So yeah, thanks for watching. Keep your Land Cruisers happy and don't forget to cherish yourself. Bye.